Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to customize respond with text messages in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last and then click on apps and then scroll down and then click on phone. Here you can see the option respond with text. Click on it and here you can see respond with section. Here you can add all these messages here. I can't talk to you. If you never attend your call, your message, your customized response with text messages will be delivered. So this is the way to customize respond with text messages in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.